Consciousness is an enigma that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. It is the foundation of reality and the source of all creation. It is what allows us to understand and control the world around us. It is the key to unlocking our true potential and building our ideal world. To truly harness the power of consciousness, we must first understand its nature and how to manipulate it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can be the master of your life by harnessing your consciousness. This is going to be another life-changing video, so make sure to watch it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Consciousness can be divided into two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. The conscious mind is the realm of effects, where we experience the world through our senses and make decisions based on our perceptions. It is personal and selective, meaning we can choose what we focus on and what we ignore. On the other hand, the subconscious is the realm of causes, where our beliefs, emotions, and habits reside. It is impersonal and non-selective, meaning it accepts everything that is impressed upon it. Understanding the relationship between these two parts of consciousness is crucial for utilizing the laws of consciousness effectively. They are the male and female divisions of consciousness, with the conscious being male and the subconscious being female. The conscious generates ideas and impresses them on the subconscious, while the subconscious receives these ideas and gives form and expression to them. By this law, all things evolve out of consciousness. It is through this sequence of first conceiving an idea and then impressing it upon the subconscious that we create our reality. Without this process, nothing is made. The conscious mind must conceive of an idea and impress it upon the subconscious for it to become a reality. The conscious mind impresses the subconscious, while the subconscious expresses all that is impressed upon it. The subconscious does not originate ideas but accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true, and in a way known only to itself, the subconscious objectifies the accepted ideas. Therefore, through his power to imagine and feel and his freedom to choose the idea he will entertain, man has control over creation. Control of the subconscious is accomplished through control of your ideas and feelings. You must be deliberate about what you allow into your consciousness, as your subconscious will accept it as true and create your reality accordingly. By choosing to focus on positive, empowering thoughts and feelings, you can take control of your subconscious and create the reality you desire. The mechanism of creation is hidden in the very depth of the subconscious, the female aspect, or the womb of creation. The subconscious transcends reason and is independent of induction. It contemplates a feeling as a fact existing within itself, and on this assumption proceeds to give expression to it. The creative process begins with an idea, and its cycle runs its course as a feeling and ends in a volition to act. The feeling is the medium through which ideas are conveyed to the subconscious. And so, the first step in the creative process is to feel the idea as if it already exists. We must contemplate the feeling as a fact within ourselves, and on this assumption, proceed to give expression to it. But we must be careful of our feelings. If we do not control them, we may easily impress our subconscious with undesirable states. This does not mean that we should restrain or suppress our feelings. Rather, we must discipline ourselves to imagine and entertain only such feelings that contribute to our happiness. Control of our feelings is crucial for a full and happy life. We must never entertain an undesirable feeling, nor think sympathetically about wrong in any shape or form. To do so is to impress our subconscious with these limitations. What we do not want to be unto us, we must not feel that it is done unto us or another. This is the whole law of a full and happy life. Everything else is commentary. Every feeling makes a subconscious impression, and unless it is counteracted by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature, it must be expressed. The dominant of two feelings is the one expressed. This is why I am healthy is a stronger feeling than I will be healthy. To feel I will be is to confess I am not. What we feel, we are always dominated by what we feel we would like to be. Therefore, to be realized, the wish must be felt as a state that is, rather than a state that is not. Sensation precedes manifestation and is the foundation upon which all manifestation rests. Our feelings are the keys that unlock the doors to our subconscious mind, where our ideas take shape and come to life. We must be careful of our moods and feelings, for there is an unbroken connection between our feelings and our. To feel intensely about a wrong without voicing or expressing that feeling is the beginning of the disease in both body and environment. We must not entertain the feeling of regret or failure for frustration or detachment from our objective results in disease. Instead, we must think feelingly only of the state we desire to realize. Feeling the reality of the state sought and living and acting on that conviction is the way of all seeming miracles. All changes of expression are brought about through a change of feeling. A change of feeling is a change of destiny. All creation occurs in the domain of the subconscious. What you must acquire, then, is a reflective control of the operation of the subconscious. That is, control of your ideas and feelings. Chance or accident is not responsible for the things that happen to you, nor is predestined fate the author of your fortune or misfortune. Your subconscious impressions determine the conditions of your world. The subconscious is not selective. It is impersonal and no respecter of persons. The subconscious is not concerned with the truth or falsity of your feeling. It always accepts as true that which you feel to be true. The feeling is the assent of the subconscious to the truth of that which is declared to be true. Because of this quality of the subconscious, there is nothing impossible to man. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and feel is true. The subconscious can and must objectify your feelings, create the pattern from which your world is fashioned, and a change of feeling is a change of pattern. The subconscious never fails to express that which has been impressed upon it. The moment it receives an impression, it begins to work out the ways of its expression. It accepts the feeling impressed upon it, your feeling, as a fact existing within itself, and immediately sets about to produce in the outer or objective world the exact likeness of that feeling. The subconscious never alters the accepted beliefs of man. It outpictures them to the last detail, whether or not they are beneficial. To impress the subconscious with the desirable state, you must assume the feeling that would be yours had you already realized your wish. In defining your objective, you must be concerned only with the objective itself. The manner of expression or the difficulties involved are not to be considered by you. To think feelingly on any state impresses it on the subconscious. Therefore, if you dwell on difficulties, barriers, or delays, the subconscious, by its very non-selective nature, accepts the feeling of difficulties and obstacles as your request and proceeds to produce them in your outer world. The subconscious is the womb of creation. It receives the idea unto itself through the feelings of men. It never changes the idea received, but always gives it form. Hence, the subconscious outpictures the idea in the image and likeness of the feeling received. To feel a state as hopeless or impossible is to impress the subconscious with the idea of failure. Although the subconscious faithfully serves man, it must not be inferred that the relation is that of a servant to a master, as was anciently conceived. So, by assuming the feeling that would be yours were you already in possession of your objective, the subconscious is moved to build the exact likeness of your assumption. Your desires are not just a fleeting thought, but a force that can create your reality. However, they won't come to fruition until you assume the feeling of their reality. This is because your subconscious mind only accepts ideas that have been imbued with emotion, and only when an idea is subconsciously accepted can it manifest in your life. It's tempting to ascribe our feelings to external events, but we must remember that the outside world reflects our internal state. This is the law of correspondence, which states that as within, so without, as above, so below, as below, so above, as without, so within. The kingdom of heaven is within us, and nothing comes from without. All things come from within, from the subconscious. If you want to change your external reality, you must first change your internal state. Your world is a reflection of your consciousness objectified. Every detail of your life is a witness to your subconscious impressions, and a change in those impressions can lead to a change in your external reality. Your subconscious mind accepts as true whatever you feel is true. This means that your feelings determine your creation. You are already that which you want to be, but your refusal to believe it is the only thing holding you back. If you seek on the outside for that which you do not feel you are, you will seek in vain. You can only express and have that which you are conscious of being or possessing. To him that has, it is given. Denying the evidence of the senses and appropriating the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the way to the realization of your desire. This means that you must master self-control of your thoughts and feelings. However, this is easier said than done. Until you attain perfect self-control, you can use sleep and prayer to aid you in realizing your desired states. These are the two gateways into the subconscious. Sleep is a state of consciousness that allows your subconscious mind to take control. This is why it's essential to visualize your desires before falling asleep. Your subconscious mind will work on manifesting your desires while you sleep. Prayer is another way to access your subconscious mind. When you pray, you're affirming your desires and asking for guidance. It's important to pray with faith and gratitude, as this will increase the power of your prayer. The truth is the key to making your dreams a reality lies within you. It's all about adopting the right mindset and tapping into the power of your subconscious mind. So, how can you manifest your desires? It's simple. You need to assume the feeling of their reality. In other words, you need to feel as if your desires have already been fulfilled. This means experiencing the joy, gratitude, and excitement that comes with having your desires come to fruition. By feeling as if your desires have already been fulfilled, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. Your mind will take this feeling as a sign that your desires have already been met, and it will begin to work towards manifesting them in your life. Think about it like this. If you want to attract abundance into your life, you need to feel abundant. You need to believe that you already have everything you need and that more abundance is on its way. When you adopt this mindset, you're sending a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive abundance, and it will start flowing into your life. The same principle applies to any desire you may have. Whether it's a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, or good health, you need to feel as if you already have these things. By doing so, you're creating a positive energy that will attract those desires into your life. Of course, adopting this mindset isn't always easy. We're often conditioned to focus on lack and scarcity rather than abundance and prosperity. But with practice and persistence, you can train your mind to adopt a more positive outlook. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this concept by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.